Welcome to Laws of Indices Level 3. Pause the video now, try the 4 problems on the screen, and I'll go through them with you shortly. You'll find more practice at this level, plus links to the higher levels, as well as other topics, at the end of this video and on the channel homepage. In problem 1, we're evaluating 32 to the power of 4 over 5. That means we're trying to find its value. Now, since we have a fractional power here, we're going to use this law, which tells us that the numerator of the fraction is our power and the denominator is our root. So this means that we can rewrite 32 to the power of 4 over 5 as 32 to the power of 4 and then take the fifth root of that. Now the fifth root of 32 is 2 because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 32. So this becomes 2 to the power of 4. Now 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That gives us 16, and that's the answer to problem 1. In problem 2, we're told that the fifth root of y squared is equal to y to the power of n, and we need to find the value of n. Now, since on the left-hand side of this equation, our y has both a power and a root on it, we're going to use this law. And this law tells us that y can be written with a fractional power. The numerator of that fraction is the power, which is 2, and the denominator of the fraction is the root, which is 5. So, the fifth root of y to the power of 2 becomes y to the power of 2 over 5. And since we know that this is equal to y to the power of n, we can compare the power on the left-hand side of the equation with the power on the right-hand side of the equation and say that n is equal to 2/5. And that's our final answer for problem 2. In problem 3, we're evaluating 1 over 4 to the power of minus 2. Now, since we have a negative power here, we're going to use this law, which tells us that we can rewrite 1 over 4 to the power of minus 2 as 4 over 1 raised to the power of 2. Now 4 over 1 means 4 divided by 1, which is 4. So we have 4 to the power of 2. And 4 to the power of 2 is 16, which is our final answer for problem 3. In problem 4, we're evaluating 16 to the power of 2 divided by 16 to the power of 1/2. To evaluate something means we need to find the value of it. So to start with, since we're dividing indices here, we're going to use this law, which tells us that when we divide indices, we subtract the powers. So 16 to the power of 2 divided by 16 to the power of 1/2 becomes 16 to the power of 2 minus 1/2. Since 2 minus 1/2 is 3 over 2, we can rewrite this as 16 to the power of 3 over 2. 3 over 2 is equivalent to 1.5, but having this power written as a fraction is going to help us as we continue with this problem. So since we have a fractional power, we're going to use this law, which tells us that the numerator of our fraction is our power and that the denominator is the root. This means that we can rewrite 16 to the power of 3 over 2 as 16 to the power of 3 and then the square root of that. Now the square root of 16 is 4, so this becomes 4 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3 is 4 times 4 times 4, which gives us our final answer of 64.